Hi, I welcome you. Today I will solve problem 6.16 from Design and Analysis of Experiment. It's a 2k factorial design problem in which I have two factors represented by A and B. The low and the high levels in the coded form are represented by minus and plus, whereas in the uncoded form, the low level for the A is 55% and 59% for the high. Likewise, for the factor b, the low level is represented in the text form as short and long, whereas in the numeric form 10 and 15. There are 4 replications have been performed at these 4 settings. It's a full factorial design. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 replications. We have to compute factor effects, analysis of variance, regression equation, analysis of residuals, and there are a few potential outliers, and how we will deal with these outliers we will discuss in this video. Go to stat, then go to DOE, factorial, create factorial design. Here it's a 2-level factorial design. We have 2 factors, then click on design. It's full factorial, 4 runs, resolution full, and 2 raised to power 2. We have 4 applications, so drag it down, click on 4, then click OK. Go to the factors. The factor name are A and B, whereas we have low level with -1 and high level with +1. Because over design in the question you can see it is made by using minus and plus signs. Here you can see it. So I prefer you people to make this design by using these coded levels. These coded levels will help you to perform data entry in a very easy way. Click OK. Then go to options. In the option, please uncheck this randomize run because it will help us to enter the data. Click OK. Go to the results. Nothing to do in this. Click OK and then OK. Our design has been made. Please click on this tab to view only the data. After that, right here the name of the response variable. We have to enter the data. Please, we have to enter the data column wise. So you can see it minus minus plus minus minus plus and plus plus. Likewise, if we go to the Minitab, so you can see it here minus minus plus minus minus plus and plus plus. So this is one of the replication and it has been repeated for the 4th time. You can see it in these 4 rows, the same signs with the same sequence have been repeated. So this is for the 3rd time and this is for the 4th time. So we have to enter the data column wise. How we can enter the data? It is very simple, just like Excel. You can write here 14.037. So in this way you can enter the data. To save the time, I will enter data and resume the video. The whole data has been entered. Now we will go to stat and then DOE factorial analyze factorial design. Please make sure one thing, that before doing any analysis in the design of experiment or statistics, first you will have to satisfy the assumptions. Here we will satisfy the assumption using the graphs. So I suggest you people to click on these all of the graphs individually, because the graphs are made individually and it is very easy for you to view all of them. Click OK and then click OK. Click on the output only button, so you can view only the output. Go to the graphs because it's the first thing. This is the first graph and it is the normal probability plot of the residuals. So you can see it here, a very significant deviation has been followed by the data. Further, the histogram is telling us that the data is skewed towards the right, or it is positive skewed, not allowed. So these two graphs are not fit for us to perform the data analysis. So it needs data transformation. The versus order plot is okay because it is showing the independence between the data. There are no repeated cyclic patterns or continuous few points continuous going upward or continuously going downward. So we have found that there is independency in the data, but the data is not normally distributed. So for the normal distribution, we have to do data transformations.